Hello everyone, welcome back to an interesting series of web design tutorial part 6. This is Pawan and you're watching Coding World. Let's get started. Today we are going to discuss how to create a form in our web page. First, I want to show a sample of form. Let's look into our web page. See, this is a sample of form. Using this form tag, we can create a login form, data entry form, application form, etc. Forms are used to take a personal information from the user. Forms contains text boxes, select menus, radio buttons, text area, and submit and reset button. Let's look into our code. First, open form tag. Wait, my mouse is moving. Form tag contains some important attributes. First one is name attribute. I'm giving a name to the form tag. Form 1. Here, remember one thing. We want to give a meaningful name to the form because this name is used to processing our form in the server. Next, we need to instruct our browser to send this form for submission. For that, we are going to use action attribute. This attribute is used to link our form with processing page. Suppose let us think if the present page is the processing page, then you can give a value in the action attribute as codingworld.html like this. Codingworld.html. Okay. Suppose if my form is processing by another page, then I'm going to write that page name here. Okay, so let us delete that. Now I'm creating a page for processing. Open a new file, save, processor.html. Okay, first open doctype HTML. Next open HTML tag. Wait. Next head tag. Close it. Next one is body tag. Okay. Now I'm using a paragraph tag. Processing page. Save this file. Now our page is this one. So now I want to link this page with our form tag. So now I want to provide the name of the processing page in the action attribute. Processor.html. Okay. When I'm going to press a submit button, all the data in the form sent to this file. This file means the processor.html. This file is going to processing our form. So this page contain a validation code. It may be a server-side file, or it may be a PHP file, or it may be an ACP.NET file. Any file can be process our form. Which type of file is processing your form? That file name you have to give here. Next one is method attribute equal. Okay. There are two ways to send our data in the form to processing page. One is post method, another one is get method. We will discuss about these methods in our next video. Thanks for watching. For any doubts, text me in comment box. See you later.